Good morning. This is another Christmas cactus, orange in color. The other day I showed you the pink one. So this one is orange. They will start blooming. Some bloom already like that. The others are still closed. The buds still closed. So orange, I have pink. Pretty Christmas cactus. Blooms at Christmas time. There are many buds. Tomorrow this will all open, bloom. Thank you for watching.